Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here to share my April 2021 Counterfeit Kit Challenge Out with the Old and Layout Share today. This kit I used to create 7 layouts, and then all the leftovers I pulled into my June kit to create 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Yeah. So I started with this paper pack from Echo Park, and it was the Country Drive collection. This is the sticker sheet that came with, and you can see I used tons of all those tiny little flowers on there. The bigger pieces I used a couple of, but not too many. Yeah, but that'll go into my stash with my Echo Park, and I'll use it some more. This is a older Happy Together Echo Park collection, and I don't see the date on here, but this is pretty old. And you can see I have cut it down a little bit. I think I cut a border strip off or something. But I used quite a few pieces from this sticker sheet, but I still have several left on here, and I want to try and get those used up. That will go back into my stash. I pulled in this little set from Fancy Pants. It's an embellishment pack, a tag and label pack, and then a puffy dot. And you can see I used quite a few of those puffy dots. I used quite a few of these embellishments. And I used several of these, not as many of those. And that's a little collection that I picked up at Tuesday morning. I'll keep it together and it'll go back into my stash since it all matches. If I pull another collection that has a similar feel to this, I'll pull this with it. I did pull in these little washi flakes from Park Lane. And there's quite a few in there. I used quite a few, but there's still quite a few in there. Those will go back into my stash. These are 2 collections from Close to My Heart. This had lots of glitter with it, the gold and the silver glitter, as well as, was it white glitter? I have some of the gold. Oh yeah, white. There's a white ampersand. I don't know. There you go. You can kind of catch the glitter there in the light. And then I have a gold piece left. I have quite a few stickers, but I did use up quite a few. So this will go back into my stash. I don't have any more of the acrylic pieces, but I still have lots of embellishments in here to play with. That will go back into my stash to use again. As far as bling that I pulled into here, I have pulled this sheet of off-white or a little beigey color gemstones, as well as these green and the pink. I used quite a bit of all 3. I pulled in a ton of word stickers from my stash, and you can see here I used quite a few, but you hardly can make a dent when you have this quantity of word stickers coming from your stash. These will go back in. I will pull these again for another project down the line. I have these leftover, or this leftover sticker from Freckled Fawn. There's one word or one phrase on here. It says be kind. And I may pull that into my planner or something. As far as chipboard goes, I have this chipboard sheet. I used a bunch from here, but I still have a bunch left. I had pulled in these leftover packs, and I used a ton from all 3 of these sets. Letter stickers, I used these. I did, believe it or not, I was able to get another word from this sheet. I used a ton from this sticker pack, and these are little tile alphabets and numbers. These I used, and these phrases from Simple Stories. They're foam stickers. I used a ton of those, and those were brand new when I brought them in. Brand new to me, not brand new on the market. These, I think there were 2 sheets of phrase stickers. Yeah, they started off with 43, and I'm down to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of them. So these may go back into my stash. They may be done. We'll see. More stickers left over from SEI. This one is a Nikki Civilis leftover sheet. This one is a Paper Studio, and it was quite full, and I have 2 left on there. Let's see. I brought in brads, and I think I may have used a couple. I brought in this twine, green and white twine. I had a ton of pocket page cards that I pulled in. You can see I cut some of them down, and I have bits and pieces to them, but they'll go back into my stash. And then I have my empties. I had pulled in all sorts of shaped and colored brads that I used up all of them. There's washi strips that I used up. That was a package of cork arrows that I used up. There's some of those carrier sheets from the sticker packs from Close to My Heart. There's the other half of that vellum phrase sticker sheet, the carrier sheet portion of it. These were some puffy stickers that I used up. These are some felt flowers that I used up. These are some clear quote phrases that I used up. And those are the little carrier sheets for the glitter pieces from the Close to My Heart packs. I just ran those through my Xyron and put the adhesive on the back. I have the one that's the next size up from my little X, and I used it to create those. And then I had several stickers left on here that I was able to use up. And that, y'all, makes me feel terrific because that's an old sheet. So let me move this stuff and I'll be back to show you the layouts that I created. Okay, here are the layouts that I created. I don't know if I made any videos of these, but if I did, I will try and get them up in a timely manner. Yeah, so I went through and I pulled April 2021 page map sketch as well as April 2020 page map sketches to create these layouts. And I don't have which one it was. I mean, yeah. So this is the first layout that I created. It's just a single page and it's called Selfie Time. Just my granddaughter and my husband when she was very young. Just having fun with her new phone that she got for her birthday. So I used one of my pocket page cards down here, cut it apart, used it to do my journaling on. And then I used another pocket page card here to put my title on to make it stand out from the background. I used puffy stickers, chipboard stickers. I used lots of bling, little, oh, what do you call them? Chipboard glittered hearts. Yeah, washi strip or a sticker from the sticker sheet here. There's one of those little flakes, the little gnome on there, but that turned out so super duper cute. This is layout number 2. Again, I used just a ton of random embellishments from all the different sheets. There's a washi strip down here, a puffy sticker, more sticker sheet pieces from here, brads, another sticker here, felt flower, there's one of those little chipboard pieces, flowers, brads, another sticker, more stickers, layered up embellishments all over the place on this one. This is the third layout that I created. Let me pull those out from behind there. You can see on this one I had punched out circles to use as embellishment pieces, just following along with the sketch. There's where I used that blue letter sticker sheet to create my title. Well, my subtitle is Sweet Memories here, and then Memo Ann, Jason, and Josh. Just a day when my mom was here visiting and my boys came over to see her. So love that I was able to use stickers and different embellishment pieces, and I actually went around this circle here with brads, and you can see all of them up at the top. I'll put some tape over that, washi tape over that before I put it into the album. This is layout number 4, and again, single page layout. You can see I used tons of embellishments here, puffy stickers, chipboards. That's a tag from one of the embellishment pieces. Washi strips and stickers and chipboard pieces and bling. More tags, brads, another sticker, more chipboard pieces, washi strip here, more chipboard pieces up here, and scraps. I love being able to use scraps up. This one is layout number 5, and it is actually a 2-page layout. And it goes like this. You can see this one with the trees is one entire sheet of paper, and then I had this green chevron and then a blue cardstock that I used to put those on, and then this is just a little strip of paper here. Used more of those punched out circles to create embellishment clusters, lots of stickers, puffy stickers, there's brads, tons and tons of stickers on here, and washi strips as well. And there's actually some washi words as well. This one is layout number 6, and it is a 2-page layout. I started off with a piece of cream cardstock and a piece of green cardstock. I cut the orange down, I cut the bird paper down, used some washi strips here, or no, that's some washi tape there. Used a border, I think both of these pieces are border stickers. Layered up some different embellishments and floral clusters and brads and chipboard and bling and felt and chipboard pieces, and I did my journaling here, another sticker here, another chipboard piece, tons of embellishments here. That was just a scrap of paper across the middle there, and then another scrap here to create my base for my title and my cluster over here, and it's Sweet Memories. And then the final layout is a single page. And you can see I used more of these stickers here, more scraps of paper. I had this bright bold pink paper that really didn't go with anything, and I had this orange to go with, and so I brought it together by using this strip of this colored stripe paper, and then all of these different colored embellishments here, as well as different colors in each little embellishment cluster to kind of bring everything together. So I love how this turned out. Such a fun layout. But that's it. Those are my layouts from the April Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit that I created. If you like these layouts or like this whole video, I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up. I really love the support that you guys give and show me how much you like my the effort that I put into these videos, and it tells me that you like it by hitting that thumbs up. If you want to see more processes like this or more videos like this, head over to my channel. There's tons of playlists over there for each month. I try and do this. Granted, this year hasn't been the best, but there's from previous years. I have all the playlists there you can go through and see. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye.